In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from OneNote. Start by opening the OneNote app and heading to the exact notebook and page you want to take to paper. Give OneNote a moment to finish syncing so the latest edits are included. It helps to skim the page for any oversized images or long containers that might run past the width of a standard page. What looks fine on an endless OneNote canvas can be too wide for print. Next, go to the top left corner and choose File. That opens OneNote's Backstage menu where all the document options live, including printing. Choose Print, and then select Print Preview. This quick preview is your safety net. You'll see how your notes map onto a standard sheet with page breaks, margins, and orientation taken into account. Use it to make sure nothing important is getting clipped and that the layout looks balanced. If something seems off, you can go back to your page to tighten spacing or simplify a big table before you proceed. When you're happy with the preview, continue to the Print dialog. Here, pick where your notes should go. Select your physical printer if you're printing on paper, or choose Microsoft Print to PDF to create a clean digital copy you can share or store. PDF is a great choice when you want the formatting to travel well between devices. Look for the print range setting to control how much gets printed. Choose Current Page if you only need the page you're viewing, or Current Section to output every page in that section. This is a helpful safeguard against accidentally printing an entire notebook. If the section is large, be mindful that it may span several pages. With your destination and range set, click Print. If you selected a printer, your job will be sent and should start shortly. If you chose Microsoft Print to PDF, you'll be prompted to name the file and pick a save location. Once saved, the PDF will match what you saw in the preview. Quick tips before we wrap up. If content looks tiny or spills onto extra pages, revisit Print Preview and adjust your page content in OneNote so it fits within the printable area. If color isn't essential, printing in Grayscale can save ink. And on printers that support double-sided printing, Duplex mode reduces paper use. That's it! Your OneNote page on paper or as a PDF with just a few clicks.